Cayes sa wap gade la gen plus passé 700 mètres carrés. L'a construit au Cayes. Li gen yon bel backyard avec cuisine, barbecue extérieur, avec 2 sitting area. En dan Cayes la, gon bel waterfall, un jardin en bas escalier. Li gen 2 mezzanines, 2 salons, un salle à manger, un dinette, yon office avec yon bel family room. Cayes sa gen 2 master bedroom complet. Li gen 3 lot chambres et yo chaque gen toilette yo. Cayes sa gen 2 demi-toilettes. Li gen climatisation centrale. Li gen yon buanderie avec un gym. Sans compter li gen une belle salle de cinéma. Bienvenue dans Haïti Création et Construction. Depuis ou gon terrain, ou bien réfléchi sous budget ou qu'on sauve li. Haïti Création est capable de faire visiter Kala avant ou construire. Non seulement ou ap gon bel jeu de plan complet, mais tout Haïti Création gen tout dernier technologie yo pour faire visiter Kala avant ou construire. Bon qui t'entendez comment mettre Cayes te réagit lorsque me débat le dossier final là.
Bonsoir ingénieur Solin, seigneur Pa. Moi, je juste voulais prendre un petit moment pour me remercier sincèrement pour plein extraordinaire ça vous fait pour Cayes moyen. Vision, attention aux détails, à créativité, faire rêve pour tourner en réalité. Moi, vraiment reconnaissant pour l'amour et le dévouement que mettez dans le projet ça. Il dépasse tout ça que j'étais capable d'imaginer. Avec tout cœur, moi veux dire, moi vraiment reconnaissant et merci en pile pour le travail ça.
Kounya, bon quitter nous garder comment moi te présenté Madame Miranda projet là. Seulement, comme les papes vivent en Haïti, moi te balil en anglais. Pendant que vous regardez la vidéo, t'en prie, parlez pas ça, subscribe, cliquez sur like et puis faites commentaire qui constructif. Merci. Mrs. Myrtha Antoine, welcome to your future home. This isn't just a house. It's a modern tropical residence crafted on your 1,400 square meter property in Les Cayes, Haiti, designed to reflect elegance, comfort, and a lifestyle of lasting beauty. Created by HAITICREATION and Construction, this project embodies our mission to transform dreams into immersive architectural realities. With over 20 years of experience, we combine technical precision with 3D modeling and climate-smart design to shape homes before a single stone is laid. The facade speaks first, balanced, contemporary, and grounded in natural textures. Smooth, light-colored plaster, volcanic stone, and rich wood accents frame generous black frame windows. A sculpted garden welcomes you in. Inside, architecture becomes atmosphere. The double-height foyer is centered around a sculptural floating staircase. Black steel, hardwood treads, glass rails, serving as the spine of the home. Beneath it, a cascading indoor waterfall set in stone invites sound, movement, and calm, bringing nature into the heart of the house. To the left, the living room opens up under a soaring ceiling, drenched in natural light and anchored by full-height windows framing the backyard. This space flows into the dining area, where a handcrafted wooden table for 8 awaits. The harmony between volumes, waterfall, staircase, living, and dining creates a choreography of movement and meaning. The central staircase leads to the upper mezzanine, suspended above the entrance. This mezzanine is more than a bridge, it's a destination. At the heart of the upper floor lies a family lounge, cozy yet open, ideal for reading, sharing, and recharging.
Love it!
Whether used as a library, art corner, or lounge, it connects the soul of the home. It overlooks the entire social core, offering sweeping views of the living room, family room, kitchen, and even glimpses of the backyard beyond. Then, the showstopper, the family room. With a 20-foot ceiling and clear-story windows, it feels like a cathedral of air and light. A minimalist electric fireplace, recessed lighting add quiet elegance. From here, the mezzanine above overlooks every angle, kitchen, living, garden, binding the home together. Clear-story windows draw daylight from above, and full-height sliding glass doors open directly onto the backyard, blurring the line between indoor and outdoor life.
Love it! Amazing!
The kitchen follows, designed as a chef's space and social hub. Full-height cabinetry and matte, natural wood finishes surrounds professional-grade appliances. You'll find a built-in double oven, a concealed refrigerator, and a modern induction cooktop beneath a minimalist range hood. The backsplash features hand-selected ceramic tile with marble texture, bringing warmth and depth to the culinary zone. Just off to the side, there's a secondary dining nook, a casual dinette, perfect for weekday breakfasts, coffee breaks, or late-night conversations. It's framed by a large window with garden views and receives soft morning light, making it one of the coziest corners of the home. Nearby, a discreet half bath serves visitors, plus a second half bath in the upper level. Just beside it, a fully equipped laundry room with cabinetry, counter space, and utility sink. And finally, a fully ventilated gym, a dedicated wellness area with mirrored walls and durable flooring, ideal for cardio, strength, or yoga. And of course, the home theater, perfect for movie nights, game days, or private screenings. A space that brings family together in cinematic style.
C'est belle, je suis content, oui.
L'élection en Haïti d'un nouveau président a précipité le pays dans le chaos.
Il n'y a rien qui marche dans ce pays.
Et puis moi, jusqu'à minuit, moi, même, ils vont avec un destinateur. What des explications, elle a déjà fait dixième. Où est-ce que la machine là? Ouais. Je suis sûr. Bien, santé.
Now here's what makes this residence truly exceptional. It doesn't offer just one master suite. It offers two. On the second floor, an almost identical master bedroom mirrors the ground level one, with private balcony with elevated views. Complete with its own walk-in closet, luxurious ensuite bathroom, featuring jewel vanities, a modern jacuzzi, a glass-enclosed shower, and a closed-off water closet. This rare configuration is perfect for multi-generational living, long-term guests, or simply offering flexibility for the owners to choose between ground floor or upper-level living. Having two master suites isn't just a luxury. It's a statement of thoughtful design and lifestyle versatility. Also on the first floor is the fifth bedroom, a discreet and beautifully appointed suite. Tucked away for privacy, this room is ideal for guests, older children, or extended family. It features a large built-in closet and its own complete ensuite bathroom. It's private, quiet, and self-contained, offering a true retreat within the residence. On the upper floor, bedroom 3 and bedroom 4 offer refined comfort and independence for family members or guests. Each room is generously sized and carefully positioned to capture natural light and breeze. Floor-to-ceiling windows, soft wall textures, and warm wood finishes create a calming atmosphere. Both bedrooms come with their own private bathroom, featuring a walk-in shower, modern fixtures, and a floating vanity with ambient lighting. Integrated closet systems provide ample storage without interrupting the clean visual lines of the space. These rooms are more than sleeping quarters. They're personal retreats designed to offer serenity, privacy, and lasting comfort. Now step outside with me into what feels like your own private resort. The backyard of this residence is designed not just for function, but for unforgettable moments.
Love it.
At the center, a sleek rectangular swimming pool stretches out across the patio, lined with anti-slip natural stone decking. Perfect for laps, leisure, or lazy summer afternoons, this pool becomes the heart of outdoor life. Just beside it, a separate spa zone offers the soothing comfort of a heated jacuzzi. This spa delivers relaxation with a touch of luxury. To the right, we find a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, complete with a built-in grill, granite countertops, a sink, and ample prep space. It's shaded for year-round use, with overhead lighting and ventilation, so you can cook, serve, and host with ease, without ever stepping inside. Adjacent to that is a custom wet bar, framed in natural stone, with high stools and an under-counter beverage cooler. It's the perfect spot to enjoy a cold drink by the pool, entertain guests, or simply watch the sun go down. This space is ideal for conversations, outdoor dining, or quiet moments with a book, surrounded by tropical landscaping and soft ambient lighting. Together, these elements, the pool, spa, outdoor kitchen, wet bar, and sitting zones, transform the backyard into a destination. Whether it's family fun, evening entertaining, or peaceful solitude, this space adapts beautifully to every lifestyle. Mrs. Myrtha Antoine, this residence is more than a structure. It's a vision turned into form, crafted for peace, designed for joy, and built for the future. Thank you for entrusting Haiti Creation and Construction with this extraordinary mission. We hope this journey through your future home brought it to life, and we can't wait to make it a reality. At Haiti Creation, we don't just build houses, we shape the way you live.